can't believe we're playing halftime on Super Bowl Sunday, babies.
Gentlemen, this is it.
Sure looks bigger on TV, man.
Welcome to halftime, guys.
Here we go.
Wow! Shazam this year's Bridgestone Super Bowl halftime show and download a free LMFAO remix of Madonna's new single, only from Bud Light.
Hello? We're at the wrong halftime.
Please give it up for contestant number 90. Oh, that boy good. Baby Lowe's getting it down tonight. All right, y'all. Here we go, baby boy. I gotta ask you the same thing. Now, what I want you to do right now, I want you to look at this camera and tell our online viewers exactly where they can find you at if they choose to do so.
They can find me on freewayenterprise.com. Facebook/Real Ratchet. That's me.
Alright, sure. I want to make sure you got the straight mic. I want to switch this out with you right now. Then I'm going to ask you that famous question. Real rapper or loser? Which one are you?
We can find out right now.
Please remember that this is just a meeting.
Hey, Mom, with me real quick though. Just bob your head. Get into it right, you feel me? Hey, Pointy Beach. I'm putting Palm Beach on my back with this one, I promise. Hey, Ricky, check me out though. Yeah, I'm the same nigga from start to finish. I'm a dog real. I don't need a sentence. Got racks on me. Never play tennis. I need Venus money. But she play tennis. I'm all black, never all white. I might relax and go across some hard white. I'm all lean, no music in that photo. Thinking to myself about the things in life I don't know. You with my team, but I'm a nigga, feel solo. Learn from my mistakes between me. I'm so close. On the road, the bitches all be there yet. Almost see my competition isn't there yet. Not so. Niggas close minded, but my thoughts still are so. Niggas want more, I love the battlefield with fossils. Stories of my life, just pieces with the puzzle. Always keep working, I'ma leave this ass puzzle. Compete, are you comprehending? Real recognize, real winners, no pretending. See you go down, in the crowd, never blinking. See my niggas with me, the rapper got the mention. Y'all on the top, well I'm the intervention. Go ain't no answer, like I don't need permission. Let me say it me, if you're in the superstition. They say I'm so fly, that's why the group is missing. Get that, Castro, with that. Ratchet in the building, some the party where this at. Now they go 8-ball, get hit like an 8-ball. I've been going stupid since my very first 8-ball. Wanna know what pain is, like me out there pregnant. On the biggest mountain, I'll bet you I can claim it. Still speaking flames, you ain't fucking with my claimant. Still go hard, flow hard, nigga, honest. Thought I had to show you, cause everybody say shit. My niggas will talk, we just run up and spray shit. Back to the subject, lost in my complex. Ever get drunk and start scrolling through your contacts. That's my great freeze. They gon' eat my main squeeze. Hope you get the picture, cause I took the time to bring these. Know a couple dogs, at least can't take these. Smoke a couple blunts, then I mingle with the Chinese. Try the whole damn motherfucking right that. Bar out the bar, on a never-ending climax. Felt so sick, I think I need another Kleenex. Dirty through my throat, thinking what about to see next. A couple Grammys, maybe an Oscar. Woman of my dreams, I remember when I lost her. Days on my heart, I just wonder what it cost her. Left her all broken, she was fragile like thin glass. Never did my work when I learned while in class. Class was in session and I always had a whole pass. I was never there when I never been out fast. I was invited not to trick and hire out fast. Every day is different till I always see the same shit. Wish I had the power so I can rearrange it. We don't need legal, every day a holiday. No work for it, we ain't worried about y'all today. I'm tired, I'm about to finish. Take a deep breath, now I feel replenished. Back up on my high horse, or is it low horse? Cause it's the two-door force. I'm going wild. If y'all don't kill me first, I'll be here a while. Just look up if you're looking for me. I look down, cause only one above me. I'm about to make history. Always say winning, only losing the victory. So cheer up or tear down. Be a man about it, don't wipe the tears now. You still thinking about the last time? I don't give a fuck if you mad, nigga, that's fine. thinking about the last time. I don't give a fuck if you mad, nigga, just fine. I do this, man. 365. It's Ratchet, man.